Clause 3.6 of ISO 9000 discusses the terms or definitions related to requirement, and clause 3.7 on other hand discusses the terms and definitions related to results. In this video we are going to discuss both uh, terms related to requirements and results. Clause 361 of ISO 9000 defines the term object, which is also called as entity or item. It is anything which is perceivable or conceivable. Perceivable means it is a material like your product itself, or a paper, or a rubber, or non-material things like information, a plan. So these are the possible perceivable things. Whereas conceivable may be we are imagining some future state of the organization. Clause 364 of ISO 9000 defines the term requirement, a very important term to be understood. Requirement is need or expectation which is stated, generally implied, or obligatory. We will understand these terms further using the footnotes. The note 1 clarifies generally implied, which is custom or a practice in the organization or for the interested party. Note 2 defines stated needs, which is actually either specified very clearly or given or available as a documented information. Note 3 clarifies that we can use the term requirement with some qualifiers like customer specific requirements or quality requirements or quality management system requirements. Whereas Note 4 specifies that these needs or requirements can be generated by interested party as well as by the organization itself. And clauses 369 and 3610 of ISO 9000 define the very important terms called non-conformity and defect respectively. So non-conformity is a non-fulfillment of a requirement, whereas defect is non-conformity related to intended or specified use of the product. Defect is very important, and therefore two more important aspects of defect we should understand. The defect has a legal connotation, and therefore understanding of defect is very important. Second thing is, there's the defect or can be because of the specified use, and which may be impacted by the information that a supplier is giving to customer. For example, something is written in operation and maintenance manual which may generate specified defect. Clauses 371, 373 and 374 respectively define very related terms: objective, success and sustained success. So as objective means results to be achieved, whereas success means achievement of objective. So please try to understand, if we put a objective and we achieve that, then it is called as success, and if we achieve success over a period of time, it is called as sustained success. Clauses 375, 376 and 377 define interrelated terms: output, product and service. It is very confusing if you do not understand these three terms clearly. So output is a result of any process. Any process is performed, you get an output. Whereas product is output of an organization which can be produced without any transaction between organization and the customer. So the key word is without any transaction it can be produced. On other hand, service is again an output of the organization which needs at least one activity to be performed between the organization and the customer to be realized. So you cannot do a service without at least one activity between organization and the customer. Clauses 3.7.10 and 3.7.11 define the terms efficiency and effectiveness respectively. These two terms are also confusing and often used interchangeably, which is not correct. So we should understand these terms very clearly. Efficiency is the relationship between the results achieved and the resources used. So for example, fuel efficiency is how many kilometers we ran and in how much fuel we used. Whereas effectiveness is the extent to which the planned activities are realized and the planned results are achieved. So we are not talking about resources and effectiveness. Effectiveness is, that means I wanted to do certain things, I have done or not. And by doing the activities, I have achieved the results or not.